Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're here at Macau. So this is my first time ever coming to Macau's karting track, and the reason why I'm here is because in 3 weeks I'm gonna have a race here, which I'm very cooked for because it's gonna be a national race, so IAME China plus IAME Asia, which is an international race, and this is my second ever race. I'm trying not to get cooked too badly, so I'm here today for some practice. We're gonna do 3 sessions from 3 p.m. till 6 p.m. I think it's 15 to 20 minutes per session. So goal for today is just to practice, get the laps in, get the experience in, learn the track, have fun, and yeah, let's get into the karts. Alright, so we're in the kart now, very first session, and I'm so excited. So I've driven the track quite a couple times on a simulator, but obviously today's the first time doing it in real life. And yeah, here we go, the very first lap. It's kind of trash, I'm not gonna lie, because dude, I had no idea where to brake, where to accelerate. So here we go into turn 1, flat, and then this part is the part that really freaks me out, but it's also a lot of fun. So turn 2 is a hard braking zone, and as you see, I just completely missed the braking zone and missed the apex. But yeah, so turn 3 is supposed to be flat apparently during the race, but right now track condition isn't that great, and we're also using 𝙎𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙇𝙎 tires instead of Comet tires. But yeah, here we go into turn 5. The one thing I realized about this track is there's so much up and downs, like there's uphill sections, downhill sections, which makes it a lot of fun, and it really does change the grip because the uphill sections give you so much more grip than you actually think you have, which is why as I go on throughout the session, I'm like, hey, wait, I can actually accelerate a lot earlier and I wouldn't need to turn as much for the kart to grip up. And yeah, that's just something that I realized, and the final turn is actually meant to be taken flat, but obviously I didn't know that then, but as we go on throughout the sessions, it gets better and better. So yeah, now we get to the best lap of the first session, which was not that great either, but did manage to find a second. Of course, I'm like at this point of the day I was so off the pace, but yeah, as you can see, turn 2 we got some improvement there. Turn 3 I'm still not really figuring it out. I'm doing I think I'm lifting a bit too much, but yeah, turn 4 is so fun. I realized that as the day went on, I could actually turn in a lot earlier. There was a lot more grip for me to turn in and brake later. But yeah, this section of the track though is super technical and so difficult. It took me the entire day to figure out how to drive this, and as you can see, I went fucking wide there. But yeah, I love this circuit. First thoughts on it, it's super fun, super technical, and very, very challenging. But yeah, that was my best lap, and then the practice got red flagged, so we went back to the pits. But yeah, my very first thoughts on Macau's karting circuit. This is one of the most, if not the most fun circuits I've been to. Trying something new in Macau is a lot of fun, and it was so worth it. Okay, so now moving on to the second session. The camera is now on the nose because I got told, hey, you're not allowed to have a camera on the helmets. This is actually a pretty cool shot, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we're gonna go out now for session number 2. I've kind of gathered my thoughts on the track. I've learned a lot more now, and so now we're gonna try and find some time and get used to the track, push for some lap time. And yeah, this session I managed to do a personal best of 50.7, which is okay. The fastest guy on the day I think was 49.2. So honestly, I think it wasn't that bad. Obviously there are a lot of areas that I could have improved on, but yeah, in general I think this lap was pretty decent. Obviously I feel like if I was driving my own karts it would be a lot more comfortable because I was driving a FS chassis, which if you guys don't know what FS chassis is, it's a Chinese rental chassis. It's a race kart chassis that's made for rental X30 and rental road taxes. I've driven it before on the rentals, and dude, this thing, it does not handle well. Deadass, this chassis really does not perform well. It doesn't really turn. But yeah, anyways, as you can see, I'm managing to keep up with the guys in front decently. So I was actually surprised that I could keep up with some of the locals, which, yeah, pretty good sign. And yeah, there's not much to say. As you can see, I really started to figure out turn 3 and turn 4, especially this corner here, turn 4. I realized I could actually accelerate so much earlier. Looking back at the onboards, I realized there are still areas which I'm taking the wrong lines. But yeah, that I'm gonna come back here next this Friday, because at the time of recording this video it's Tuesday, so I'm probably going to come back here this Friday to test again. This time I'm not sure which chassis I'll run. I'm trying to request a CRG, or maybe I'll run an OTK. But yeah, as the day went by, I really managed to improve quite a lot, I think. Obviously there's still a lot of room to improve, but I think overall pretty good. So yeah, that was kind of it for a second session. And then as the third session came along, I started pushing a bit more for lap time. So I talked to Daniel, the team boss of the team that I was renting from, and he gave me some advice on how to run the final sector of the track. So from turn 6, turn 7, and turn 8, turn 9. So the double apex, which was literally the area which I was struggling a lot. So yeah, we started focusing on that, and here is my fastest lap on the next session. And real quick guys, if you guys want to support me and you guys want to watch full uncut onboards of hot laps, track guides, racing action, and more, then click the join button next to the subscribe button and become a channel member today. Anyways, thank you to every single one of you guys who have made it this far into the video, and let's get on with my best lap of the day. Alright guys, so we just finished the 3 sessions at Macau, and as you can tell, I'm completely wrecked. I'm so tired. This track is a lot of fun. We spent like the first session just figuring out the track, getting used to the kart, because I was so not used to the kart. But after that, session 2, session 3, a lot of fun. We had some minor battles with people, obviously. So I couldn't keep up with a lot of guys. They're so fast, but yeah, I think overall this track is a lot of fun. Definitely one of the most challenging and complex tracks I've ever driven, but yeah, can't wait to come back here again. And I'm just so tired, but if you guys ever want to give this track a visit, highly recommend, because it's so much fun. But yeah, looking forward for my race in Macau. I'm gonna come back here next week to practice again on my birthday. So yeah, looking forward to that. Today was a really good day, really good learning curve, improved by 2 seconds on my personal best. So not bad. But yeah, next time we come here, I'm gonna try and push for a bit more lap time. And yeah, that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.